Let's go! My car can actually do a wheelie. This video's purpose is to document the process in which I made my own Bluetooth Arduino car. It is not a tutorial. I will show the bugs that I've encountered and the results, then list all the skills that I've improved or learned through making this project. Plus, this is actually my third attempt of making an Arduino car. The first one I failed miserably because I accidentally fried my own Arduino. The second one is fine, like this, but its movement is kinda slow, so I want to make a new one. So yeah. Okay, so now I will briefly explain how this Arduino Uno cars work before going to the parts that I make it. So when I click the buttons on the apps that I use to control, the signal will go to the Bluetooth chip. Then the signal will go through the wires here to Arduino Uno. Then from the code that I have compiled in Arduino, it will process the signal from this Bluetooth chip to send instructions from all these wires to this motor driver. And then the motor driver will instruct which part of the gears or motor will spin, like this will spin, or this part will spin, and in which direction, like this direction or this direction. And of course, the battery is essential to power all of that movement, like this. Now let's get to the part that I make this car. Here's all the things that I used to make the car. First the motors and the wheels, the main frame of the car, 13-volt batteries, motor driver, Arduino Uno, and Bluetooth chip HC05. Damn! I just found out that this from CNC and I can actually peel off the outer area. This looks so bright. A little insight here is I'm terrible at weldings. Look at those horrible weldings, man. Oh my god. This time I actually planned my layout. The battery will be here, Arduino here. Okay, neatly arranged. Then the motor will be under here and we'll assemble that. Okay. Boom! Just kidding. We would have to test the device first. Good. Okay, nice. I finally finished the assembly of my car and the circuit actually works. But there's some problem with the code for sure. Ooh. Like, what the hell? It actually goes forward with right and goes backward with left. But at least my car can do a wheelie. I think it's quite cool. I figured out why the command on the app is wrong. Like, the motor driver is supposed to turn around a bit, so that on one gate will be 2 motor on the left, and on another gate will be 2 motor on the right. Like, the previous setup just looks more comfortable, so I forgot about this. The car worked out quite well after I fixed the bugs, all the bugs. And yeah. It's pretty similar to my past project, though it's a little bit faster, but I still want to improve it. I want to control it using a slider to increase its flexibility. I use another app to fix my code a bit, and yeah, my car still can do the wheelie, so it's really cool. Oops, oh, okay, I guess I had to glue the batteries. Unfortunately, after I glued the batteries to the main frame of the car, it can't do a wheelie anymore. So I would have to adjust the battery's positions. Hey, I adjust the battery's position a bit, and now it can do this. You know, it's not really a stable kind of car that I want. So yeah, whenever I want my car to do a wheelie, I would have to move the battery to the back a little bit. So here's more insights to the wheelie. Like this is the clip from the beginning. So the things that I've learned through making this simple Arduino car is learn how to code an Arduino chip a bit. Like though I relied on ChatGPT a bit, but after that I still asked how the code actually works, so maybe that does count, I guess. The next thing is know how simple circuits works, know how to use Bluetooth connection to control things, improve my welding skills, I guess. Like it's still better than the first or the second time that I did it. Talking about the ideas, maybe I will include other chips or modules to provide more function to the car, like such as throwing out flame, turning on the lights, or avoiding obstacles. Also, I can't find the apps to control the car frustrating, like it doesn't have the joystick as I want and it's not really flexible. So maybe I will learn how to make my own apps to control the car. Or maybe I will just simply buy a simple controller to control the car more easily. Yeah, just to command all the function that I want to add to it in the future. That's it. Thank you for watching if you have made it this far.